Primulas are brilliant. They can put on a really fantastic display through the winter. They can last for years if you look after them well, but you've got to get the watering right. For a start, the structure of the plant. They are arranged in what is called a rosette. So you get the flowers coming from the centre, and you've got a rosette of leaves around. If you water from the top, sometimes you can start to get rotting in there. But if you overwater, it's the roots that tend to suffer. They start to rot, and especially if they're waterlogged for any length of time, they can really finish up the whole plant being killed. If they're in pots, you do have to be careful, because with these new peat-free composts, quite often they look dry on the surface, but the bottom third of the pot or container can be absolutely waterlogged. So you really need to check the bottom and see how well the compost is draining before you keep watering and overdoing it and killing your plant without realising it. We hope you found this video useful. Please remember to press the like button, share the content with your friends, and subscribe to get more gardening videos.